Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming to another interesting product. This is from FlareAudio.com. Now, we've reviewed a number of products from Flare Audio. This one is interesting, let's put it that way. It's called the Flare Calmer. Now, initially, I contacted this company to review their products because I'd seen a tinnitus possible solution. They'd advertise on Facebook and other different places, and I was like, yeah, anything that can get rid of my tinnitus. I suffer from tinnitus, especially in my right ear. It's very pronounced, and it's very loud, almost to a sense of driving me mad if I focus on it. So I wanted to try their products, and they sent us out some to review. We like some of the other products they had. This one is pretty interesting. Comes in two different colors. You get in a standard size or a mini size, maybe if you have smaller ears. Basically, what it's designed to do, or they purport that it does, is it's supposed to reduce stress trigger frequencies without muffling sound, and it's molded in soft touch durable silicone, designed to be comfortable to wear, independently tested by the Institute of Sound and Vibration Research. Comes with one pair of Calmer, the Flare carry pouch, instruction manual, sticker, and all that good stuff. You can wear them under headphones or if listening to head speakers or for your concerts. What the inventor purports to do is that because the shape of our eardrums, it creates a lot of distortion and extra noise that gets banged around like a bell, if you will. And so what they do is basically thin the ear hole, and, of course, create this silicone sort of thing to reduce that extra noise level. It kind of does work. It does work. They say you can listen to sound better. I don't think so. It cut off some of the high qualities of sound that I enjoy, although there might be some distortion in there. It did cut off and reduce some of the high end. The other thing is well, it did reduce a lot of noise. It made my tinnitus in my right ear more pronounced, because suddenly I went from letting it blend into all the other distortion and noise, if you will, out there, to where all I could hear was the ring. And so if you want to talk about climbing the walls even further when you focus on it, this thing really focused on it. So I'm not sure. They've said they've had variable results with tinnitus. Some people it works for, some people it doesn't. I have tinnitus in my left ear that comes in and out. Seems to be either blood pressure, stress related, or sometimes when I'm hungover, it's bad. It's really weird how it comes in and out. But it's sadly, instead of helping me, it actually made the tinnitus worse and able to focus on the ringing. I think all results may vary, but I wanted to give you my experience. You may want to check them out if you have tinnitus. I mean, $28 isn't bad to see if it can maybe help you from the maddening nature of it. They also sell some versions of these you can use when you sleep. It does take the high end off of noise around you, so maybe some people might find that more calming or reassuring. You can check it out. Go to FlareAudio.com. I don't know. I have no use for them, really. I tried them with headphones and everything else. I just really don't see a reason to need for them. But, maybe it will work for you.